In this quick tutorial, we will see how to change the coordinate system of a raster layer. First, let's import a raster layer. Go to catalog, and then we will import an NDVI image. This is our image. Let's change the symbology a little bit so that it looks good. Now let's see the coordinate system of this layer. Go to properties and then source, then expand spatial reference, and here we can see that this is geographic coordinate system WGS 1984. We want to change it to web marketer. Let's click OK. Now click on analysis, then tools. It will open the geoprocessing toolbox in the right, and then expand data management tools, and then projections and transformation, then raster, and then click Project Raster. This will transform a raster dataset from one coordinate system to another. Now in input raster, we need to select our NDVI image, and we can change the name and location of output raster. We will use the memory for now, so it will write the raster in the memory and it will be lost when we close our project. And then output coordinate system, if we can select any layer coordinate system, then we can select from here, but we do not want to select one of these. We need to go to this button and then search for any coordinate system. Let's search for web marketer and enter. Now expand projected coordinate system and world, and you will see the web marketer coordinate system. If you select this one, it is updated, and click OK. The resampling method, we can select any resampling method, and if we want to change the output cell size, we can do it, but for now let's go for the default one and let's run. The reprojection is done. Let's close this and uncheck our previous NDVI image, and this is the reprojected NDVI. For visualization, we can change the symbology as well. And close. This way you can change the projection system of any raster. Thanks for watching.